Hey, this is Sam again with Secrets from Sam. This is the second part of this video about a shelf. Please remember to subscribe or like this video. And let me know in the comments, ideas or other tips you got, or, it's good to hear the support from all y'all. Okay, I got one of the anchors in there, and I thought I would just show you this other anchor. Okay. Okay. Now there's some other stuff about leveling this and how we got all this, but that's not really what this tip is about. Like I said, it's not really all about shelves. It's really about this tip. If you ain't got a stud and you want to put some weight on the shelf. Okay.